All right, folks, I'm going to show you how to fill in the blanks of the notes that are on Google Classroom, okay? So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your Google Classroom. I'm using fourth period, but this is true of all of them, okay? Go to your Google Classroom. You're going to open classwork, and you're going to click on the economic system notes, okay? You're going to click view assignment. This is what you should see, okay? Each of you will have a copy of this. You will not have a copy of this, and each of you will have a copy of this. The instructions say click on the Google Doc directions before you start. So I'm going to click here, and let's read through it together. All right, please follow these instructions. Step 1, you will use the slides that look like this to fill in the notes that look like this, using Kami to edit them. Then you're going to pick a partner, be it audio level 1, and decide which economic system matches the statement on the document that looks like this. When you are finished, you can follow these instructions. Okay, so you're going to use the green thing to open the white thing and to answer the questions on the other white thing. All right, so going back to Google Classroom, now we can open up economic systems, and what I want you to do is I want you to split your screen, okay? So once you have it open, you're going to split it, okay? All right, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to open the economic system notes. And up here, it says open with Kami. So we're going to click open with Kami. It's going to open an entirely new slide, okay? To fill in the blanks on Kami, you are going to use a text box, okay? So go to the T and click it on the first blank. All right, now we're going to read through the slides. I'm going to fast forward to the first answer. Okay, so traditional economy is an economic system in which economic decisions are based on customs and beliefs. So you're going to take your text box, click it right there, and then you're going to type customs and beliefs. Now, if you want to change the font or the size, you're going to click the square. You're going to go over here to size, and you can adjust the size. To change the font, you're going to go up here. And apparently we have to pay for Kami to change the font. So you're stuck with Times New Roman. All right, so that's how you fill in the blank. You have to click a text box each time, okay? And each time you'll type, and then you'll keep going. When you are done, you're going to open the menu. Excuse me. When you're done with your notes, you're going to make it full screen. Open this file. And then you will click on Google Drive, and you're going to save it to wherever you save things on your Google Drive. I am going to save it to Classroom, and then right there. Okay? So that's how you save it. When you are done with your notes, you have saved it. You're going to go back to Economic System Notes assignment. Okay? You're going to do the same thing you did with the notes on the Name That Economic System. You're going to open it with Cami. You're going to make a text box. And you're going to put that text box wherever you need it to be. I wanted it at the top, so I'm going to write my name here. Okay, and you can move that box wherever you need it to go. Okay, so if I had your father 20 years ago and he was a great student and always followed directions, he got an A and therefore you get an A, what kind of economic system would we be talking about? You will type the answer in your text box and put it in that box. When you're finished with all of those things, you're going to turn it in. Okay? But I want you to read this document first so that you don't go in not knowing what you're supposed to be doing. If you have any questions, just email me.